is the new Garrett pouch I ordered, and this is actually really cool. I adjusted it to my waistline, and as you can see, there is plenty of extra webbing there. So I think this would fit just about anybody. Plenty of room for big boys to wear it to. And it's got 3 pockets. You've got your main pocket, and then it's got an inside pocket here for your next to best find. And both of these pockets have flow-through mesh, so dirt and stuff should fall, and it should fall right out the bottom. And then you've got a little pocket in the front just for your special finds. Also have a pinpointer holder, a little ring so that you can hook your keys on it. And kind of funny, I don't know why they have this in here, but if you look inside, here, let's see if I can get to this. There's actually a snap inside. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Right there at the bottom. So that you could attach something that snaps on. I'm not sure what you would do with that. It's also got a loop here as well as a loop here so that you can, for example, attach keys or something. You could also put a carabiner inside and put rings on there and they would be secure. So this is actually pretty cool. I am looking forward to when Garrett comes out and puts one of these out in like Muddy Girl pink or something, or even black. But in the meantime, I'm going to use this because it looks like it's going to be a handy dandy addition to my metal detecting gear.